So hi, so let's talk about the catalog. If you go into the categories, you have a default catalog for your storefront, and in the default catalog, you can define your categories. So here I have already created some of the categories for this storefront demo. So these are brand categories, product, and its subcategories are coffee beans and machines. In the machines, there are more subcategories that we can call child categories, espresso coffee machines. And if you go on any of the categories, you can assign the product to that particular category very easily, and you can select any of the product and then you can assign it to your categories.